Hi everyone, I'm here to share my orange ATC for swap I'm in on Facebook, run by Polly's Pretties. The thing is, I'm actually recording this the day before I have to mail it, which will be Monday the 13th, I think. So I'm doing this on the 12th. But I'm not going to air this until after I know my swap partner has received one of these three. So I'm going to walk through what I did very sort of quickly. All of them are backed with a piece of junk. No. Oh, goodness. I forgot to take that off. Backed with this shiny card that I don't know where I got it from. Might have been gifted to me, or might have been Tuesday morning. It's pretty thick. It's like cardstock, but it's very shiny, and it has orange marbled kind of effect on it. I've had that for quite a while. And then this side is Mango Melody by Stampin' Up! Cardstock, and then on that I used let me find it. I used this background stamp called Rays of Light. This is in Stampin' Up's new annual catalog that just started in, let me see, May 3rd, I think. It's on page 116 if you're interested. I am still a demonstrator through the end of June, and I do have a host code for the month of June, which will be good to the 29th because I have to close it out on the 30th because that's my last day. So, and I did officially resign this morning via email, so they don't have it yet, but anyway. So I did the ray. I might have placed the sun, this part in a different location, like on this one it's up here, and that's the other thing I used. You can see this sort of shiny. Let me just go through them in the order that I made them, which was this one first. So this is a 1-inch circle punch that was not Stampin' Up, but I used this glitter paper, ombre specialty paper. This is actually Mango Melody, and I used the darker Mango Melody glitter, and I think this just retired also. Yep. It was in last year's annual catalog. So I did that, and then the words happiness and for a moment are Tim Holtz. They are from this Ideology clipping stickers. I'm pretty sure I got them a long time ago at maybe Joann's or something. I don't know. I put them on a little strip of leftover Mango Melody, but then I did take this pumpkin pie Stampin' Right marker. This one I colored it on top to be more orange instead of the yellowy mango, and this one I just took the writing end and I went around the word for a moment with the pumpkin pie. They're up on dimensionals, mini dimensionals. Now this dragonfly and these, they are both out of K & Company. Susan Wingett, I love her pieces. I loved K & Company, and I still have some. I am trying to see what collection this was. Spring Blossom die cut cardstock, it says. That doesn't seem right, but anyway, might have been Spring Blossom from K & Company. I am not 100% sure. I'm trying, it doesn't say on, maybe it says under here. No, it just says one of each design. Anyway, that's where many of the things came from, and this I think I might have got in a yard sale or something. I just have it loose, and it kind of curls up. It's kind of stiff, but it's got these orange, yellow, and white flowers on them, and so I just cut some of them. I put them down with glue dots, but I might have to put a couple more under there because they seem to want to come up. I did use, because some of these are, I don't know if you can see how shiny that is. Some of these are acetate. I used this Easy Runner Permanent Vellum Adhesive, and it did pretty good at not showing through that. And then these are actually, oh, one more thing before I get to them that I use that's just retired also. Stampin' Up! Had this cork paper. It was from the August to December mini last year. Should write on there 2021. Anyway, it was part of the Harvest Meadows suite back then, and it retired, but I used some of it because it has lines like a strip, a half-inch strip. So I put a half-inch strip down the bottom, and that's what that pot falling over is on. And I also used it on this one, and on this one I used it and another little piece I had to back up the sentiment. I did use some washi. I used this one. Don't even ask me where I got this, but this is like an ombre orange into pink washi. On this last one I used this floral, and on this center one I have this bird one up here, and I actually had a yellow bird showing, but I buried it, so I dug out a yellow bird from that Susan Wingate stuff on it. And oh, the only other washi I think I used is this skinny orange here, which is under here, going across. And so that is pretty much it on that one. And then the bird one, which I think is my favorite, I'm not sure, either this one or this one I think are my favorite. Let me know what your favorite is. I don't know what I'm sending yet. Probably either this one or this one. But not everybody likes birds, so I don't know. Anyway, I had the washi on there. Same, you know, paper on the back. Same thing on the front. You can barely see the sun rays under there. But here's that glimmer paper. This bird nest is rather large. I do have the cork paper there. But this has little, actually, robin eggs, and this is more like a Baltimore Oriole or a yellow finch or something. But oh well. I had one little loose of the ribbon, so I just glued that down. This is a brad, and that is from Prima Brads. Don't know where I got them either, but it was down here, and it says for the birds. So I thought that went well with the bird's nest and the bird. And then this is washi tape that's all birds, and I used the pink one here. Too bad none of them were really orange, but I used this pink one, and that's the yellow bird I had underneath. It ended up being underneath there. But there's also butterflies and things too. Anyway, and then I did use this sentiment. It says, what if I fall? Oh my darling, what if you fly? That is this washi tape. So I just put this washi on some Mango Melody strip cardstock and used it. There's another one in here I didn't use, and it says, with brave wings she flies. I could have used that too. I don't know, but it was pink, and I thought the green went better with the green leaves in there. So that was my thought process for that. And I think, oh, and then this ribbon was a Walmart sale item a year or two ago, for maybe 3 years ago, for 75 cents, which is already down. It was $1.50. It's Waverly 5/8 inch, and it's orange. That's so I used it because it was orange. Okay, so that's that one. And then this one, instead of putting the cork across the bottom, I did 2 washis. Same with the glitter, and then I used the cork here behind these words, and these I bumped up on mini dimensionals, you know, pop dots. This one I didn't. I just glued it down onto the cork and then glued the cork down. These are from the Susan Wingate K & Company. This is from Dollar Tree. It came out of this pack of pop-up stickers that I've had. I don't even know if they sell them anymore, but I used to have a lot of them. I still have a few packs, but orange and yellow, and I thought that went well with it. And then this little flower I had in a swap packet from Diva Z Russell, and that was, see, she's got she's got some little ones up here. I guess I used all the other ones except she had some pieces in here that we could make it ourselves. And this one came out of there. And then these are Stampin' Up! Brand New. Oh, I forgot to show you the gold things on that first one. Brand new Fun Flowers resin shapes in, I used Calypso Coral because I thought it brought out a little bit of the darker orange. And then these gold dots are from the Gilded Gems, which I think, I don't remember if they carried over or not. They might have just retired. I'm not sure. I'd have to look in the catalog, which I don't feel like doing right now. This is another brad from, did I say Prima? Yeah. It's one of these. Sort of a pinky orange, but I thought it went well with it. And the back is that same paper that I showed in the beginning. And the sentiment on here, sunshine to brighten your day, is from Stampin' Up! Sending Smiles. I didn't use the sending. I just wrote sunshine because this is a sunshine behind here. And I cut it then after I stamped it. I cut it in between sunshine and to brighten your day. And I stamped it with real red because I thought that showed up sort of orangey on the Mango Melody card strip. So those are my 3 artist trading cards, ATCs, if you didn't know what an ATC was. I hope that my swap partner will enjoy them, or one of them. And I'll have 2 left that, you know, maybe they'll go in friend mail at some point. I need to get all my stuff that's already made in this room and go through it and see what I want to do with it, because I already have some things made and more's being made as I speak. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. I had a lot of fun making it. This is the stuff I miss doing, pulling things out of my stash and just having a play and, you know, seeing what comes of it. And I think I create better that way. Let me know what you think. But I think I do. I also had pulled this out, but I just wasn't feeling it. So maybe somebody will get that in Happy Mail. I don't know. We shall see. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Bye. Have a great week.